Hey guys, I'm here back with another math video. This past week we just hit 200 subscribers. It's really amazing. 200 is a big number. It's a really significant landmark for us. I know we're still not that big yet, but we hoped that by continuing to teach math, you guys, more people flock to our channel. I just love to see a huge math community dedicated to doing math and solving math problems. I just think it's really amazing, and I really owe it all to Daniel Liu, because yes, he's my partner. He's taken up half the work, and of course, you guys all come to the channel because of him. Let's be honest. He has the most followers and brilliant. I am just a run-of-the-mill mathlete. So, thanks to Daniel Liu, our channel now has 200 subscribers, and I really like to thank you guys for all the support. Now that that's over with, here's the problem that we posted on the Facebook page a while back, and I'd like to solve it. It's so try to just look at it, try to solve it, yeah. Okay, without further ado, let's get going. The way you solve the problem is that you first solve divisors and multiples separately. And how to do divisors, you just bash it out. That's just really how you do it. Take all the divisors of 200, which is 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 40, I think 80. Wait, yeah, you get the idea. Take it, bash it out. I think there's an easier way to I think actually there's an easy way to deal with factors of 200, but basically there's a lot of ways to do it, but it's not too hard just to bash it out. So just take the divisors and just find the sum, and that sum is actually, if you do it, is 11067 over 8000. Yeah, okay. Finish out the problem. Look, we made progress. The other part you may wonder is a multiple of 200. So let's list out all the multiples of 200. So that's just 200 times 1, 200 times 2, 200 times 3, 200 times 4, etc. Right? So if you take 1 over x squared of all of these, then you get 1 over 200 squared times 1, 1 over 200 squared times 4, 1 over 200 squared times 9, dot dot dot. And you get the idea. And actually, this is if you actually factor out 1 over 200 squared, you get 1 over 1 plus if you actually add these together, which is what we're trying to do here, right? We add them together, so you get this, which I think is pretty cool. And this is where the hard part begins. To actually solve this thing inside here, or it should be expressed as 1 over equals 1 over 200 squared multiplied by I equals 0, 0, 0, I squared. This is called the Basel problem, and we have a separate video on that I just made 5 minutes ago, the Basel problem, and I will refer you guys to that video, and that video is a better way to solve this quantity. But what you need to know for now is that this is equal to pi squared over 6. And I know it's pretty cool, pi squared over 6 and stuff. Yeah, there's pi in there. But if you plug that in, that gives you, if you actually solve the entire thing, this is the divisors, right? Plus 1 over 400,000 pi squared over 6, and that goes to 11067 8000 plus pi squared over oh wait, that's not 200 squared. I'm stupid. 0 0 0 0 There. That's the answer. This is just basically an application of the Basel problem, which is another video we just did. So it's a pretty short problem as long as you know how to actually do the Basel problem. The Basel problem is much harder. It requires a tiny bit of calculus, but if you actually memorize that quantity, it will be useful in various other problems that involve this quantity. So hopefully that helped you guys out, and I'll see you next week. Yep. Caution, you do need a bit of calculus knowledge to solve this, because you do need knowledge of the Taylor series. To start out, we need to express sine x in terms of the Taylor series. And sine x in terms of the Taylor series is just x minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x5 over 5 factorial plus x7 over 7 factorial. This is the polynomial approximation of sine